Kora app. The pros, the cons. Kora is an investment app that focuses on simplifying stock and investing for beginners. But is it the right choice for your portfolio? Starting with the pros. First, simplicity. Kora's interface makes buying and tracking stocks, and it's straightforward, even for novices. Second, education. The app provides guidance and resources to help users understand investing concepts. Third, low minimums. You can start investing with small amounts, lowering the barrier for new investors. Now, the cons. One limitation is investment variety. Kora primarily focuses on standard stocks, and it's limiting access to bonds or alternative assets. Another drawback is fees. While transparent, active traders may find costs higher compared to fully commission-free platforms. The surprising truth? Most beginner investors overcomplicate investing, and Kora's simple approach can help them start without fear. In conclusion, the pros' user-friendly interface, educational resources, and low minimums make Kora ideal for new investors. The cons: limited investment options and potential fees mean more advanced traders may need additional platforms.